In the opposite figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. Point H belongs to ray AD, such that AD equals DH, and ray HO intersect ray AB at the point O. Prove that HC equals CO. I want to prove HC equals CO and AB equals BO. Let's start our proof. First, since ABCD is what? Yes, is a parallelogram. Therefore, AB is parallel to DC. Parallelogram, each two opposite sides are equal in length and parallel. Therefore, AB is parallel to DC. Since point O belongs to the ray AB, therefore AO, line segment AO, also parallel to what? Yes, line segment DC. Since AO belongs to the ray AB, therefore line segment AO is parallel to line segment DC. And AH and HO are transversal. Since HD equal DA, therefore what? Yes, HC equals CO. Again, since line segment AO is parallel to line segment DC, and AH and HO are transversal, and HD equal DA, therefore HC equals CO. First required. And since line segment AD is parallel to line segment BC from parallelogram, and H belongs to the ray AD, therefore line segment AH is parallel to line segment BC, and AH is parallel to BC, and AO and HO are transversal, and since HC equals CO, therefore AB equal BO. Second required. Clear? Let's have another example. Example number 2, page number 82, classwork. In the opposite figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which line segment AC intersect line segment BD at the point M, and point E is the midpoint of line segment AB, and point F is the midpoint of line segment BC. Prove that the figure ABFM is a parallelogram. I want to prove that the figure ABFM is a parallelogram. To prove this figure is a parallelogram, I have many cases to prove this. Use any case you like. Prove in each two opposite sides are equal lengths. Prove each two opposite sides are parallel. Prove two parallel sides are equal in length and parallel, as you like. Let's start our proof. First, since ABCD is what? Is a parallelogram. Therefore, line segment AB is parallel to line segment DC, and AB equal DC, and this is number 1. From ABCD is a parallelogram, we get line segment AB is parallel to line segment DC, and AB also equal DC. In triangle DBC, in this triangle DBC, since F is the midpoint of BC and M is the midpoint of BD, therefore MF is parallel to line segment MF is parallel to line segment DC, and MF equals half DC. Again, from this triangle DBC, since F and M are midpoints of line segment BC and BD, we get line segment MF is parallel to line segment DC, and MF also equal half DC, and this number 2. Since E is the midpoint of AB, therefore EB equals half AB, and this number 3. From number 3 and number 1, we get EB equals what? EB equals half AB, and AB equal DC. Then EB equal half AB and equal half DC. Then EB equal half DC. And EB is parallel to DC, and EB is parallel to DC. This is number 4. From 2 and 4, from number 2 and number 4, number 2, line segment MF is parallel to line segment DC, and MF equal half DC. And number 4, EB equal half DC, and line segment EB is parallel to line segment DC. Therefore, EB equal MF. EB here equal MF here. EB equal half DC and MF equal half DC. Then EB equal MF. Then two opposite sides are equal in length. And from parallel, EB parallel to DC, and here MF parallel to DC. Here DC and here DC. Then MF parallel to EB. Then line segment EB is parallel to line segment MF. Here I get what? I get two opposite sides are equal in length and parallel. Therefore, EBFM is a parallelogram. Clear? Example 3, classwork, page number 85. In the opposite figure, line segment AD parallel to line segment BC, and AD equal half BC. Point H is the midpoint of line segment BD, and point O is the midpoint of line segment CD. Prove that AHOD is a parallelogram. I want to prove that AHOD is a parallelogram. Let's start our proof. In triangle CDB, in this triangle, since point H and O are midpoints of DB and DC, therefore OH is parallel to line segment OH is parallel to line segment CB, and OH equal half CB. And since AD is parallel to BC, and AD equal half BC. Here AD parallel to BC, and here OH parallel to CB or BC. Then OH is parallel to AD. Here OH equal half BC, and here AD given equal half BC. Here half BC and here half BC. Then OH equal AD. Therefore OH equal AD, and OH is parallel to AD. Here I have what? I have two opposite sides are equal in length and parallel. Therefore, the figure AHOD is what? Is parallelogram. With my best wishes, Mr. Ahmed Abdullah. Goodbye, middle one.